Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Arizona's UST data. So the first resource I want to guide you towards is the website Convenience Talk. We did a blog posting, and in that blog posting are the links to all the UST databases by state. And so if you press on Arizona's link, you will end up on this form. And so this form also has another option down here, which is to export an Excel database, and I've already done that. But essentially, if you went through here and you just click search, what you would end up is a list that looks like this. So not very friendly, and actually there's not a lot of information on here. So if you open up the list, the Excel list, you'll get a lot more information. It's one, so you have open and temporary closed USTs only. So these are basically the active sites, and then they also have a tab that's for all USTs. What I like about this file is you have the facility name, which is essentially the DBA, what it's operating under. So this file on its own will give you location information, and if they're using a DBA for the location, then you're not going to get a lot of contact information. But you can sort through this, obviously by name. You can see whether or not it might be a gas station. But the other way to kind of look at this is look at the capacity of the tank, how much fuel is it actually carrying, and then of course the substance, what it's actually housing. So that's Arizona. My name is Melanie, and thank you for watching this video.